Hello, my name is Simona and I will show you how to make triple crochet stitch. Triple crochet stitch is also called treble crochet stitch. It's the same stitch, just the different names. So now I will show you how to make this triple crochet stitch on the foundation chain. If you do not know how to make the foundation chain, you can find the instructions in this video. So before making the triple stitch, it's important to know that you should leave 4 chains and make the stitch only to the 5th loop. This is because the triple crochet stitch is very tall, and just to form a nice pattern, we're leaving 4 chains if we are working on the foundation chain. So let's count the stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will put my thumb here on the 5th one, so I will know where to put the hook. Now before making the stitch, yarn over the hook twice. It looks like this. Then put the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull it through. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on the hook. We will yarn over and pull it through 2 first loops. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. Only 2 loops left on the hook, and yarn over, continue through the 2 loops. And this is our triple or treble crochet stitch. Now we will work the next stitch on the next chain. Yarn over twice, looks like this. Put the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull it through. We have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, and the third time yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. So we made 2 triple crochet. One more time. Yarn over twice, put the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull it through 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through one more time through 2 loops. It's very tall stitch. It's taller than the double crochet. So this is how the triple crochet looks on the foundation chain at the beginning of the crochet project. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triple crochet, and this chain also counts as a stitch. So if counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we would have 7 stitches. Now I will show you how to make triple crochet in the middle of the project when starting the new row. So before making the triple crochet, you have to make a turning chain. When making triple crochet, you should make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's turn your work to the other side. We are not making the stitch to these 2 loops as we already made the chain, so we will be working through these 2 loops. Now let's make triple crochet. Yarn over twice, pull it through the loops, yarn over, pull it through. We have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through. This is how it looks. One more time, slower this time. Yarn over twice, put the hook through in the next loop, yarn over, pull it through. 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over through 2 loops. We have 2 loops left on our hook, and yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. So this is the triple crochet stitch. And one more time faster. yarn over twice, and now pull it through 2 loops 3 times in total. Now to compare with the other stitches, you can see this is the single crochet. I made it to one side, to the another side. This is the double crochet stitch, to one side, to the another side. This is double crochet. This is the half double crochet, to one side, to the another side, and this is the triple crochet. As you can see, this is the tallest stitch that I have so far. If you want to learn the other stitches, how to make them, please visit my channel and you will find the videos. And thank you for watching.